Hey everybody, welcome to Health for You, where working out is super easy. I'm so happy and excited to be with you all today. What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day, that's right, just 5 minutes, can help you burn fat super effectively, tone up all your muscles and make your posture a whole lot better. And you know what the best part is? You won't have to do any jumping, no running and no tricky moves that will make you feel confused. It's all thanks to smart exercises that work great and are really gentle on your joints. Yep, that's totally possible. And today I'm going to show you an awesome 5-minute plank workout. This great workout can take the place of those usual hard cardio exercises, giving you amazing results without hurting your knees or ankles. It's super good for your core muscles, but trust me, your whole body will feel it. And guess what? You don't even need to mess with the stopwatch, because I'll be right here with you, counting every single second. Awesome, right? All I'm asking is for you to try this workout every day for 30 whole days, just 30 days of sticking with it, and I promise you, you'll be super amazed by the changes you see and feel. We're talking a smaller waist, rock-solid core muscles, way better posture, stand tall and proud, and better balance. So are you ready to change your body right here, right now with me? All right, let's do this. Let's get started. All right, everyone, let's get started right away. Our first exercise is the full plank, and we're going to hold it for a full 60 seconds. Okay, first, let's lie face down. Now, get ready, push yourselves up. Lift your body up with straight arms, wrists right under your shoulders and on the balls of your feet. Imagine your body as a perfect straight line, like a ruler, from the top of your head down to your heels. Don't let your hips sag down, and don't stick your bottom up too high either. Keep your hips level. The most important thing here, after keeping your body straight, is to tighten your tummy muscles. Squeeze those tummy muscles tight, like you're bracing for a little tap on your belly. And remember to breathe evenly. Breathe really steadily. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Don't hold your breath. Your muscles need oxygen to do their job. We're starting right now. 60 seconds starts now. Come on, you can do this. Think about how you're getting stronger with every second. The full plank is a super powerful move, a real champion. It doesn't just work your tummy muscles hard, but also your glutes, your bottom, hamstrings, the back of your legs, your back, shoulders, and even your chest. This is really one of the best all-around body weight exercises. That means exercises using just your own body. You can do, and the best part is, you don't need any fancy equipment. Just you, the floor, and a little bit of determination. All right, great job with that full plank we just did. Now let's smoothly move on to our next move, the elbow plank. For this one, you're going to slowly lower yourself down, resting on your elbows instead of your hands. Your elbows should be right under your shoulders, and you'll still be up on your toes. Just like before, it's important to keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your butt stick up, and don't let your hips sag down, okay? Ready? Let's go. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds, and you're doing great already. This is the elbow plank, a classic move and a basic yoga pose. It's really great because it helps boost energy in your whole body, and at the same time, it helps calm your mind. It's like getting two good things done at once, isn't it? This version really works your deep core muscles. These are super important muscles that help keep your back strong and help you stand up straight. It's also awesome for building up your staying power. It might look simple just holding a pose, but trust me, you'll really feel the burn. You'll feel it working its magic. Awesome, everyone, you're doing so well. Now, from that elbow plank we were just doing, or quickly get back into it if you took a little break, we're going to add a little more challenge with the raised leg plank. So staying strong on your elbows, I want you to lift your right leg straight up behind you. Try to lift your legs so it's about as high as your hip, or a little higher if you can, but don't go so high that your lower back starts to bend. Keep those tummy muscles super tight. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Let's go. This move really needs good core strength and great balance. By lifting one leg off the floor, you're making your tummy muscles work much harder. It's also awesome for making your butt muscles stronger. That's the butt muscle of the leg on the ground, and the leg that's lifted, and your lower back and thighs too. This is a real test of your control. Remember to keep breathing steady. Your muscles are working super hard, and they need that good oxygen to keep going strong. You're doing great. Keep that leg up. Keep those tummy muscles squeezed. Try to keep your hips square to the floor. Don't let them twist or open up. Think about squeezing the butt muscle of that lifted leg. We're more than halfway through on this side. You might feel a little wobbly, that's okay. Just focus on a spot on the floor in front of you to help you balance. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Okay, slowly lower that right leg down. Okay, everyone, it's time to work those side muscles. We're moving to the left side plank. So, from your elbow plank position, I want you to carefully turn your body to the left. Place your left elbow right under your shoulder. This alignment is super important to protect your joints. Stack your feet one on top of the other, or if you find it too hard to balance, you can place your top foot on the floor in front of your bottom foot for more stability. Now, lift your hips up high, making a straight diagonal line from your head to your feet. We're going to hold this side plank for 30 seconds. Let's begin. This move, the side plank, is super awesome because it focuses on your side muscles. Those are the muscles on the sides of your tummy, and making them stronger is key to getting a tighter, more toned waist. But it's not just about looks. Strong side muscles are really important to support your spine and help with twisting movements in everyday life. This exercise also does a great job strengthening your supporting arm and shoulder and your whole spine too. Keep your tummy muscles super tight. Imagine you're zipping up a really tight pair of jeans and keep those hips lifted. Don't let your hips sag towards the floor. If you want a little more challenge, you can reach your top arm straight up to the ceiling or rest it on your hip. That works too. All right, superstars, no time to waste. We've worked the left side, now it's time to hit the right side with the right side plank. Okay, let's switch sides carefully. Place your right elbow right under your right shoulder, just like before. Keep your legs straight and stacked, or you can place one foot in front of the other if that helps you balance better. Now squeeze your core and lift your hips up high, making a nice strong straight line from your head to your feet. 30 more seconds. You got this, everyone. Side planks, whether it's left or right, are super great for making your core strong on both sides and helping your posture. If one side of your core is stronger than the other, it can make things uneven. But exercises like this help balance it all out. They're awesome for helping your spine stay straight and building that side-to-side strength. That's the strength going from one side of your body to the other. It's often missed in regular workouts, but it's super important for moving well every day and helping to keep you from getting hurt. Keep breathing nice and deep. Don't let your hips sag when you get tired. Try to keep them lifted up. Focus on squeezing those muscles on your right side. Feel them working hard to keep you steady. All right, everyone, we're almost at the finish line, but we're not done yet. We're going back to where we started with the full plank, but this time we're only holding it for 30 seconds. So get ready. Place your palms right under your shoulders. Push up onto your hands and the balls of your feet, making a strong straight line from your head to your heels. Squeeze every muscle in your body. Tighten your tummy, squeeze your butt, keep your legs strong. Let's start. 30 seconds. Remember, you're not just holding a pose. With every second you hold this plank, you're building amazing strength, not just in your muscles, but in your mind too. You're practicing your focus and how to control your body. Holding it for this shorter time, especially after what we've already done, is a real test of your mental and physical toughness. It's about pushing through when you're already a little tired. Keep your form super steady. Don't let your hips sag or your head drop. Look a little bit in front of your hands on the floor to keep your neck nice and straight. Breathe steady. Breathe in confidence. Breathe out any doubt. All right, everyone, our very last move for today. We're going to finish strong with one more elbow plank, but this time we're holding it for a whole minute. That's right, a full 60 seconds to really make all that hard work count. You've done this one before in our workout, so you know the form, you know what to expect. Get down on your elbows, right under your shoulders, up on your toes, and keep your body in a perfect straight line. Let's push through these last 60 seconds together. Squeeze those abs tight and let's go. Keep your hips lined up with your shoulders and ankles. No mountains or valleys with your body, okay? Keep that core super tight and most importantly, keep your breathing nice and steady. You're doing something so great for your body right now. You're building strong muscles, burning calories, even after we're done. And you're making your posture strong and steady, which helps you look and feel more confident. This is where the real magic happens in these last few moments of effort. We're about 20 seconds in. Yeah, and just like that, our 5-minute plank workout is all done. You all did an amazing job today. Give yourselves a big pat on the back or even do a little happy dance. You totally deserve it. Let's quickly recap today's powerful workout. We started with a 1-minute full plank, then 30 seconds of elbow plank. Next up was the leg lift plank, 30 seconds for the right leg and 30 seconds for the left leg. Then we worked our side muscles with 30 seconds of left side plank, followed by 30 seconds of right side plank. We went back to the full plank for a quick 30 seconds and finished super strong with a 1-minute elbow plank. That's about 5 minutes total of a really tough and super effective workout. Now, here are a few final tips and a little encouragement to keep you going as you get stronger with this routine. And trust me, you totally will try to move from one plank to the next without dropping to the floor or resting on your knees.